Hello YouTubers, this is PlayStation Games coming at you with some online hacking on Watch Dogs. So this is Ulysses Slash, so let's do it. See how this goes down. Okay, let's win this one. Hopefully he's not like a motorcycle when I spawn, that would be bad.
One of our high-value targets is in town. We need you to hack them and install a back door for us.
Oh, sick. Crap, he's on me. Get out, get out, get out. Get away. He saw me, but he didn't profile me, so. Okay, this is a very bad hiding spot.
Now. Oh man, that's not good.
I'll just hide in it. Come on, I want to get that camera. I'm so close. Oh,
Sucks.
crap. Oh, crap. He's right there. Is there anything I can hack? Would be funny. They're all honking at me. Please don't profile me. Yes. Okay. This works. She profiled every single one of the cars except for mine. Then she's probably gonna come back. Okay, let's evade this. She can't get past the bridge without a car now. Oh, sweet. Oh crap, my car just died though. Okay, get a new car fast. Okay, fine, limo works. We can do this. We're in a limo. Okay, come on. Neutral. Ah! Okay, I know we didn't win, but at least we're evading, so. Oh crap, that wasn't even a good idea. Oh, I'm in a limo! You can't get me! What the heck? He just... I don't know how I'm gonna outrun him in the freaking limo, but let's see. You can't push, my limo weighs too much, you can't push it over. I should get in a limo every time. Oh, he just crashed. Oh crap. Look. I don't want to her in a corner because then he could just like hack something.
Well, like, speak of the devil.
Oh crap. Yes! I thought I was. What? 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 Oh my gosh. That sucks.